Alright, so in the other video we did the FS90R. We tuned up we gave it a tune. Well, I only showed you guys how to adjust the valves, but I gave it a full tune up, put a spark plug and an air filter. So in this one we're going to do the BR600. Now I forgot to get the air filter. I think I'm gonna do a full tune-up because yesterday I was gonna show you guys the whole tune-up on the 90R, but my camera died and I didn't feel like charging it and waiting it and all that. So I think I'm gonna just show you guys on this one now. I forgot to get the air filter for it, but it's okay because they said that they didn't make a valve adjustment kit for the BR600, but I'm gonna see if it's the same as the 90R. I'm just gonna get the 90R and use that one because I just really need the gasket and that's about it. But again, this tool is the only tool you need. It should come with your Stihl products. If not, you can go buy one at your Stihl dealer. But basically you're just gonna take all these bolts out. Oh crap, another one down here. Might have to take this off. Yeah, it definitely needs a new one. Put the cap back on so no dust will fall in there. But like I was saying, yeah, I was gonna do it with my 90R, but the GoPro died, so I ended up just turning it into just a valve adjustment. Yeah, it definitely needs a new one. And again, if you're not very good with bolts, might want to label them or this is what it looks like so far. Oh. Huh. Alright. I guess I gotta take this bolt and that one off to get in there. equipment, you know, and that could keep you busy on your weekends or whenever you need work. See, okay, now here's these two. Just remember which goes to which. This blue one goes to the top. This straight black one goes to the bottom. Very important, because put the wrong wire back on and you'll just screw everything up. Looks like it's got to be a little harder. Oh, there we go. Ta-da! And that's what we need right there. Nope, it's not the same as a 90R. So, we're gonna go to the store and see if I can find one and get it a new air filter. Got the spark plug already. Spark plug is pretty good. But anyway, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So, see you guys in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Got the air filter for it. See? Old one, new one. And got the kit. It's actually called a valve clearance setting kit. I guess the part number is 4282007-101A. I guess, I don't know. Again, opening the package to see what we all got in here. Should be the same as a 90. Which, yep, it is. And see, here's the gauge is the exact same one as the 90. So, guess if you got one, you only have to buy it once, and well, yeah. Anyway, let's take it off. There it is again. It's dirty. But there it is again. Here's the little gasket. Make sure it matches up. Yep. Alright, now again, you have to measure the piston, or have to get the piston dead center. And I have no idea how to do it on one of these. So, we're gonna take the spark plug off. Oh, this thing is nasty. And look. It looks like it's already to the top. Yeah, it seems to already be at the top. So, I'm assuming, I'm trying to look, see if there's any like little markings. But I'm assuming that you line this up kind of like that, and it'll set your piston to the top. Yeah, every time you turn this back that way, it takes a piston back to the top. So anyway, once you get that figured out, time to use the gauge. Now these seem to be good. They're a little tight. Hold up, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I had to get my ratchet set. I think it should be an 8. Yep. Now these are too tight, so we're gonna have to loosen them. There we go. They're on. Alright, I'm back. Sorry, I had a phone call. But anyway, see, that's how basically they should be. So yep, then you get your gasket and align it, set it in there, and repeat the process of putting the gasket back on. Or not the gasket, but the might want to be careful too not to get any dirt in there. Trying to be as thorough as possible because I know how it is. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to wash this or not. Oh well, let me go ahead and put the spark plug in. There's the old one, there's the new one. And spark plug, well, it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, you just screw it on and then screw it off. I forgot what the gap is supposed to be at, but they come pre-gapped, so you don't have to worry. And see, even though your spark plug looks good, it's still a little bad. which this one's not too bad. I've seen worse, like on my 90R, but might as well. I think I've had this blower for like 2 years, so $6 or however much they cost is, you know, nothing compared to the 2 years of service it's giving me. Alright, that's complete. Now time to put this back. Let me check the valve one more time. All loosen them. Alright, now back to this. We remember this black one went to the bottom, blue one went to the top. I didn't even know I had the spark arrestor on. It looks pretty clean. I'm gonna take it off. I thought it still had it off. Or I mean, I thought the spark arrestor was off. I mean, these, you should only take them off if you don't work like in dry areas. If you work in dry areas, you should leave it on, because that keeps basically fire from coming out of the muffler. So that's why they put it on there, so you won't catch anything on fire. But if you're not working in dry conditions, then your best bet would be to take it off. It does help, because that's a restrictor. And I'm not gonna do that one. All we got left is to put everything back together and fire her up. So here we go. got everything. Let's set her on the ground and fire her up. Let's try it again. Alright, I'm just gonna let it cool down and try it again and see what happens. But that's the basics of how to do a full tune-up on a Stihl BR600 Magnum. Thanks for